Hello everyone, this is Tufik from Tech Security USA, located in Lynnwood, Washington, and the greater Seattle area. Welcome back to another unboxing video where today we'll be unboxing a UniView license plate recognition camera. This UniView license plate recognition camera's model number is the IP camera PKC2640. And as you notice today, I'm actually going to be unboxing this with UniView installer certified gloves. And this following camera has HD image quality, ONVIF features, smart illumination, and Ultra H.265 encoding. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the box. Over here, as you can see, this is a very well-designed box by UniView. You can tell this is a very well thought out design, very nice, professional. And over here, we are greeted with an instruction manual. And inside this instruction manual packet, we get the instruction manual itself. And we get ourselves a drill template. Place that to the side. And we pull out this little foam piece here. You get yourself waterproof joints, the camera itself, and some drill screws and other waterproof joints. Let's place that box to the side. And here is the camera itself. We pull that out of its packaging. As you notice right here, this license plate recognition camera is commercial grade, very sturdy, very high quality from UniView, very well thought out. At the front over here, you can see we have the lens. This is the lens that contains license plate recognition AI technology. It's able to recognize any license plate on a car in your yard and capture it. Here's light for when it's nighttime or when it's dark. Right on the bottom over here is where you can do all the configuration for the camera to reset everything. You can insert a micro SD card into your camera over here and pretty much do all your setup and cable management to your NVR on the back of here. If you have any other questions about this camera, feel free to give us a call at 206-787-0324 or visit our website at techsecurityusa.com for more information. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.